Babalik tayo ulit sa Ilocos. Ang call time natin is 7 PM. So far, 8:45 na, pero wala pa din sila. Filipino time.
Okay guys, stop over kami dito sa Lakeshore. Asan na yung, kamusta naman yung ano natin dyan? Hindi natin Hi! Naka-smile ka pa? Ang dami nag-outing. Ang dami, oh. Hi, guys! Kasi yun, ah. Ilocos na kami. Ilocos. Time check, 4:16 AM at Ilocos na. Kami sa Ilocos Norte. Sikat si Kuya. Okay guys, meron kaming na-meet dito Human Road. Galing. Richard, oh, tip lang mga guys. Thank you Kuya. Ay, sukay. Pampapogit, pampagwapo. Naku, kota si Kuya. Ang dami ah. Lakad ka na. Yan na, Bibi! Hi ka, hi! Kaway. labas, pwede. 70 ang entrance.
Hindi ka naman makapasok na wala kang
Isang
ticket.
nalaglag pa ata. Hello! Ayan. Dito na kami sa loob. Ang ganda oh. Ay, tanaw pala nga dito yung lake. Na? Yung lake kanina dinaanan natin. Mga gamit nila former President Marcos, Ferdinand Marcos, Imelda Marcos, ang ating dating Pangulong Marcos. Wow, ito pa oh. Yan, Malacanang of the North. Ala, ang gown ni Madam. Ni Madam Imelda. So, antik na to, no? Ang ganda. Ayan, ang dami. Pa! Pa, pagod ka pa? Kayang-kaya. Sure ka? Parang hinihingal ka na. Cute. What doing you? I love you. Are you pretty? Are you smart? Very good. How old are you? Yo, how old are you? Very good. What is your name? Leona. Rachel. Hindi ko yun. Sino ikaw? What's your name? What's your name? Tricycle, papuntang lighthouse. Kailangan din na yung lighthouse. Tricycle, pa-lighthouse. Hi! Nandito kami, akit kami sa lighthouse. Medyo tirik na yung araw kasi it's already 1 PM ata. 1 PM ba? G, ano G? Diba? Super hot. DJ! First place yun. Lighthouse. Kailan pa nag-zipline yung kuryente? DJ! Zipline yan? Chi, akit mo dyan, Chi. Zipline naging kuryente.
Hindi nga kami mag-akit ng ano. Bakit?
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
kami magstay sa Lorena Homestay. Tayo na. Inastayan namin to. No, 1-year-old ka pa lang nun. Kung nandito tayo. Ay, 1 year. Ilan taon nun si Uno, G? Hindi, nung ano, 10 years ago. Oh, ito po ang aming transient. Sa mansion ni Don Ake. Hello po, Ate Lorena. Ayan. May aircon. Saan nga tayo nun dati? Ay, ito yung CR. Okay. Parang bahay mo lang. Bahay natin to pa.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good then you...
Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Saon Beach. Hello. O, game, dali. Halika na. Punta tayo sa kids. Ay! Ganda ng araw! Ganda mo kami. Good po. Saon Beach. Kami dito ng 3:30. 3. Hello. Okay. Bakam na nga natin. Ganda guys. Super ganda. Super. Wait lang man.
Wow, you! Are you a mermaid? Wow, may I see your tail? Supportive tita and mama Tay. Baby, oh, say hi! They're so beautiful. Hey, ano yan? Ano, ang ganda niya na. Ano yung balon? Asa si Ichi?
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are the sun up and try on me. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
Asan yung castle mo? Wow, yan, sige. Ay, may jet ski. Ayan, may activities. Father and mother. Yan na siya. Hi. Ha? Woo! Sige, gusto. Ganda guys. Super ganda. Video to ma. Video. Ano yan? Games the light dyan. nandun na, sa taas. Ang boys namin ay namalengke pa. Ganda oh. Napakalinaw ng water. Yan pala yung river, oh. River. Hi.